Took me a while to figure out how these things fit on there, and they go like this. It makes sense once I figure it out. This is where the oil squirts out at. I was thinking it went underneath the bolt there, but I was thinking, well, they don't make no sense because it won't fit down under the bolt, and even if it did, if I'm turning the bolt, it's going to mess them up. So I guess I've used these before, but I can't remember what kind of luck I had making them work. This should do it. I'll go ahead and put this down here to catch any of the oil so it doesn't leak out the lower side. My studs did stay in place this time, so my theory was right about the studs must have been bottoming out into the bolt. That was what was causing them to not tighten down and also not letting them stay in place after the fact. And what I don't want to do is over tighten these because I want to keep the same gaskets that I got on here. Some of y'all may or may not remember, but I got two sets of gaskets in place on here. One is a rubber gasket and one is a cardboard gasket. Making sure I'm not pinching it along the edges or anything. I'll go ahead and get my wrench set up. I think that's 5/8. So what I'm going to do, starting from front to the back, is I'm going to loosen them until they start to clatter, and then I'm going to tighten them a quarter turn. And then I'm going to stop right there. Now, I would love to let y'all sit right there, but I'm pretty sure you'd wind up falling down. You're sitting on the side of the thing here. I might try sitting you up here like that. Let's see if that works. Okay, contact. Now I'll regular valve cover back on there and take all these clips off, move everything over to the other side over there. I'm thinking those could be hot. And they are a little hot.